Today is Friday, March 18th. This is the 1972 Cadillac Eldorado Frigidaire original vintage fully restored air compressor from my friend Daryl out in California. So the unit has been completely taken apart, fully restored, and I'm going to be sending this NRS unit to my friend Daryl as soon as I get his okay to ship reply confirmation. We have a beautiful dual pulley free-flowing clutch, which is specific to the Eldorado as it has a dual belt pulley, unlike the single pulley variant for the DeVilles. This is Eldorado specific, so this will be going into his 500 cubic inch engine. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1978 Cadillac Eldorados, over 375,000 original vintage 1959 to 1978 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source, original vintage Cadillac items such as these beautiful, fully restored air compressors. So this is George in Florida. Today is March 18th. Thank you very kindly.